Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, up, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we don't need the ladder. Gaza Nation, we're gonna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reason on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, I remind you now, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, must a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, the Vybz Kartel African feature, the streets. I wait panda when I Shatta Wale. Me know you is not only an outspoken fan of Vybz Kartel, but this is a moment that you have been waiting for your entire career, my boss. The title song, Mansa Musa. My often said Vybz Kartel is the Mansa Musa of dancehall music for this generation. Big up all artists of the 90s. People still consider the 90s as the glory years of dancehall music. Only because, in my opinion, it is the only time span in dancehall music where we had a collective of so many different or diverse artists putting out different music who sound different and also hit locally and internationally. In this day and age, we see that wave a forward back slowly but surely. And Vybz Kartel is definitely at the forefront of this movement. The whole style. Vybz Kartel, as I always point out, is not only an influential artist. Yes, we see the look. We see how the artists them dress. We see how they move. We see everybody right now on cosmetic braces. Teacher bring braces into prominence where people even just want to have the look even though them not try to fix them with them teeth. But we are talking about inspiration. Vybz Kartel continues to inspire everybody. Vybz Kartel have put dancehall back on the map. Oh, we can say that. Where is the proof? Recently, the only certified gold plaque track for 2020. Fever. And the style of music is a hardcore style of dancehall music. And the style of dancehall music where Jamaicans listen to. And it was purchased overseas and worldwide. Supported extremely well by international artists. The teacher have put dancehall back on the map. For those who don't know what Mansa Musa is. The man that take over Timbuktu, very famous place in Africa, a very famous trade route, and put it back on the map, set the thing in a certain level, levels of riches from salt and other things where, you know what I mean, it makes sure say, the things that the people have been having in the surrounding areas, it deal them the right way, the resources, market them, and build an empire that was, I say revered, renowned, worldwide. Everybody didn't know of Mansa Musa. You know what I mean? Him definitely in the history books, viewers and subscribers. But he's a character that is not talked about as much. That's why I get why the teacher say when it comes to black history, he have mixed reviews. Because I realize what is taking place in the music right now is this. That people conveniently shine light on what them want to shine the light on. Them consider it's reggae month, but it is not dancehall month. So when we'll dance, which month is for dancehall? Why is it only that at this month we celebrate it? Why we can't celebrate it all year long? Why you need to tell me when to celebrate my black history? So I see why Vybz Kartel have mixed reviews when it comes to that topic. But one thing with the artist, from the month start, him and drop black history gem in every track we drop. And no other artists can say them and do the same. Them in the same stadium. Them in the same race. Them can't in the same lane with Vybz Kartel. There is no size enough. Different stadium them in. Them in the stadium. As a matter of fact, them don't qualify for this league. Them still in Division 1. Them still a D1 artist them. Yeah man, a D1 artist them. I'm gonna be D1. Division 1. You know what I mean? Yeah, them aspiring, them a move up. One thing we can say though, with this day and age in a music, we say a diverse group of young artists we have found out with a sound like them one another. And that is unique. And that is good. That shows that dancehall music is not stagnant. Because if the music became stagnant, you know what that take place? What would take place is that the replacement of dancehall. That's why we see people so up in arms when they hear say, yo, Trini dancehall and such dancehall. No! I want dancehall. All of the artists reside in Trinidad, them do dancehall music and dancehall. When Gentleman they deliver Europe, them still a sing reggae. And no Rasta artists never say, yo, Gentleman and a reggae artist. Them still say Gentleman one of the biggest reggae artists and a Europe him come from. So if the youth them boy. You know what I mean? Prince Swan in them. They over Trinidad and dancehall music and dancehall music. And not Trinidad dancehall, and just dancehall. That alone I tell them, stop calling it Trinidad dancehall, it's called dancehall. Yeah, because we are listening to music just like how they listen. Our music inspire the youth them for decide to them and do music in this way. Remember the youth them listen to rap and R&B too and Latin music too. But they must say no, a dancehall them love. They must say a dancehall them love. Big them up. Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers and his style of music, his flow, his influence, his creativity is definitely putting dancehall back on the map. And for all who want to see, yo, maybe might put dancehall on the map. Remember, a Black History Month and Reggae Month. I never mention dancehall. Notice a Reggae Month, not Reggae and dancehall month. Reggae. So we talk about back on the map. We don't need to do a survey upon Wagwan. And look upon Wagwan and look at the facts. Yes, dancehall music influence the world just like reggae. But homage is not being paid. The accolades are not being received. Vybz Kartel, one of the few artists, will point that out with the music and also help other artists to show them say, yo, you can do it. It can be done. It can be done. Popcorn say Vybz Kartel tell him say, yo, the world are gonna listen to your music, you. You're gonna bust. When we say bust, we not talk about just the people, but put more gonna know you. The world are gonna know you. I never lie. I never make it up. The teacher could acknowledge the talent. And I show him say with this work ethic and this style, it a go work when I ask somebody. I tell him my God bless him, you're gonna be a superstar. And see there. Popcorn drop track title superstar. I say him not only hear people, I say it, him feel that within himself now. Say yes. Him is a superstar. Remember when he must sing him song say dream. All of this coming like it was a dream. Man said him link Vybz Kartel and instantly the right starts swell. But the reality, from them time until now, greatness. Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers, definitely somebody needed upon the road right now. Needed upon the road. The music won't get stagnant. Because we always need an artist to lead the pack when it comes to creativity. In any genre of music, there's always that style or that dominance happening. Yeah, always. So, with that being said, we feel like say yes, viewers and subscribers. It is time, long overdue, for them to release the teacher. Africa wants to see him. Europe wants to see him. North America wants to see him. The Caribbean diaspora. In the island can hold everybody them forward over here when the teacher release. Me I tell you, I don't know normal. You know so what when Buju forward out and keep the freedom tour. And still, they have a tour about the rest of the Caribbean countries we couldn't get for forward. Because the fans them want to see him. Same thing with Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers. They want to see the artist, the new feature here. It's like a rock dancehall. Definitely do it like a rock dancehall. We are going to save it. Because we have some lyrical content. We are going to reason fan. So, we don't spoil the surprise. You know what I mean? When the official snippet drop, we can get more into the reason about. You know what I mean? The lyrical content. But right now, we're talking about the title. Mansa Musa. Definitely, Vybz Kartel is the Mansa Musa of dancehall music right now. And nobody can tell me nothing. And if you disagree, talk to me in the comment section. Let me know why. Why you are not in agreement. For this day and age, Vybz Kartel is that the artist who's putting dancehall back on the map. Then tell me who you feel like I do it. You tell me who you feel like I do it. You can't say Coffee. Coffee is a reggae artist and she's outspoken about that. So, talk to me. Let me say who you have in mind as the person who have put back dancehall music on the map. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. so that you can be notified of all fresh content as well as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform, viewers and subscribers. Yes, the like icon there too as well. From a like, we drop a like on the vlog. The share icon is also there as well. You can tell a friend, but tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reason. Join the discussion. The comment section is always open 24/7. No matter when you see the vlog, just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. We will continue the reasoning from right there. So, and this right there, fam. Our move settings. How we don't need the ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, for to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.